8 turnovers. That to me is the difference of having a point guard. Medina right now with a steal.
Medina goes to Harold Benedictos, a guy that they need to get hot here in this quarter, and Harold gets his first 3 of the ball game.
Kung pormahan at pormahan din lang, Boss Kaisis hindi rin nagpapahuli yan.
Actually, ang ganda ng mga ano dito eh. Dapat
Offensive rebound na yun.
ano yung isa pang tao na maganda lagi ang forma?
Sino?
Si Key.
Ay, oo. Sige.
No, yung jacket, yung buto.
I mean, kung pag-uusapan rin lang natin ng get up at get up, kung makikita lang natin ang jacket na suot ngayon.
Nako, yan. Mahirap tapatan.
Oo, mahirap tapatan.
Yung varsity jacket. Pati ang ating mga executive dito, talagang laging maganda ang formahan. Of course, our venues are very well air-conditioned as well.
And keep creating that separation. This third quarter is gonna be huge. You have to remember, yung third quarter ang ginamit ng May Kawayan para bumalik. Right now, you have trailer threes, no? Para sa mga secondary break. Jason Apolonio, again, going to work. Very little on the floor, pero he just lets his game be the one to do the conversations.
Harold Benedictos giving up just a glimpse.
7 points, 6 rebounds, close to 1 assist per match. Look at that steal. Again, it's Miko Dizo. And yan, na panigurado ko, inaabang-abangan niya ng mga ating mga fans, lalo na dun sa Rizal.
Ganda nung addition ni Gab Gometa. I do love that addition. I like this new concept, coach, which I also use on my team, this attack the press. Because it gives you an early chance to actually attack.
That is right.
Getting ready alongside your favorite former San Beda Red Lions. They will be playing later on. Let's remind everybody on the possible implications that can happen after this ball game. Bulacan wants to go up. The spin, kick out to MJ. The drop, pass is too deep. Another turnover in the quarter. Ibe, one-on-one. Ibe flies high and gets the finish. Is Carl Ibe.
How about the contribution of Ibe right now?
4-point game that we are watching, but a quick answer by MJ de la Virgen. 61-54. Oh, they couldn't see the back door. Now they do. Not a lot of space blocked. We are actually tied, but the offensive rebounds, that is keeping the Cuyas alive. Another rebound here. Pass thrown away. Ball goes back. Pero panigurado, numbers, hindi magbabago yan para kay Boss Kaiser.
Ayan, magkakampi nga pala sila ni Jaggy last season.
Yes.
Yeah.
Gandang matchup nun on the guard position. Here, 7 seconds remaining. Bing, it's short, not second try. Goes out, a second remaining. Straight line and in to end the quarter for MJ de la Virgen.